Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the bonus 3-piece cock ring set. So let's get started. So these are the cock rings themselves. And this 3-piece set is perfect for the man who knows what he wants. These are high quality cock rings in 3 sizes, ranging from the largest to a medium size and to a small size as well. The rings are made of a soft silicone, so they feel very soft and smooth on the skin and feel very comfortable to wear as well. The rings are also slightly stretchy, which ensures the right fit when wearing as well. When using these cock rings, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean them after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the bonus 3-piece cock ring set. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.